How to check your IMEI number of your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can check your IMEI number of your iPhone. But before that, let me tell you guys that it is not really safe to give other people your IMEI number. Now, this can result in your device getting hacked, even your phone getting cloned, such as your SIM card cloning, and they can make your duplicate of your phone. So yeah, it's not really safe to share your IMEI number, but in case you do need to share it, I'll teach you guys how you can find it yourself. So first, head over to your settings, and after you head over to your settings, scroll down till you find General. Navigate to General. Now, after you're on General, go to About. And after you're on About, you'll need to scroll down all the way till you find your IMEI number. Now scroll down, and after you scroll down, you will get your IMEI number, your network, your carrier, your even available SIM cards IMEI number, and if you have multiple SIM cards, you'll get that as well. So that is basically how you can get your IMEI number. And yeah, that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.